Hello guys, welcome to another section of Learning with PrepClass. I am Usman Nuruddin and today I'm going to be guiding you through solving questions from AKWA JSCE Mathematics Past Question for the year 2020. In this video, we are going to be solving questions 81 to 85. I hope you've seen our videos on how we solved other questions. If you've not seen them, kindly go through our channel to check our questions we solved. So guys, let's begin today's work. Don't forget to like and comment. Also remember to share with your friends so we all can learn together. Question 81. A prime number has dash factors. A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. To answer this question, we simply define prime number. Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, 1 and themselves. So if you're talking about prime number has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. So examples, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. So this means that our answer is option B, 2. So it means a prime number has two factors. Question number 82. Write in words 65, 473, 218, 239. A. 664 billion 732 million 18,239. B. 654 million 732 billion 182,239. C. 65 billion 473 million 218,239. D. 65 million 473 billion 218,239. So we have to convert from figures into words. Now to do this, we are going to express our number in this way. That is, we have 65, 473, 218, 239. Now these numbers are already divided into chunks. Now we need to name the chunks. The first chunk here from the right is the 100 chunk. That is, I have 239, unit, tens, and 100. So it means this number is standing for 100. That is, if I have just 239 to be pronounced, it will be 239. So this is just the 100 chunk. Now for the next three digits, 218, 239. So this 218 is representing the thousand. The next three digits, 473, is representing millions. And the next chunk, 65, is representing billions. So now identifying the place values of each digit, we have 9 here to be unit, 3 to be tens, 2 to be 100, 8 here to be unit, tens, 100, unit, tens, 100, unit, tens. So we are doing this for each chunks in order to name our chunks. Now, for 65, which is under the billions chunk, we are going to name this as 6 tens, that is 65 unit, that is 65. Then since it is under the billions, it will now be 65 billions. 473,000. 4 is under 100, 7 is under tens, 3 is under unit. So we say 473. And because it is under the millions chunk, we are going to say 473 million. Then the next chunk, which is the thousand. 2 is under 100, 1 under tens, 8 under unit. So we say 218,000. Then the last part, 239. So we pronounce this as 65 billions. 473 million 218,239. So the correct option is option C. The next question, question number 83. A car traveling at 60 km/h took 3 hours to arrive at its destination. How long will it take the same car to cover the same destination at a speed of 100 km/h? A. 3 hours, B. 2.8 hours, C. 2 hours, D. 1.8 hours. Now from the question, a car traveling at 60 km/h. So the first speed here is 60 km/h. Took 3 hours to arrive at its destination. So time to arrive at destination is 3 hours. So now the destination, which is a distance, and here we don't know the distance. So we use the formula speed equals distance over time. Now the speed is 60 equals distance is unknown divided by time is 3. Now from here we cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we have distance equals 3 multiplied by 60, and that is 180 kilometers. So it means the car traveling at 60 km/h has covered a total distance of 180 kilometers in 3 hours. Now we need to find how long it will take the same car to cover the same distance at a speed of 100 km/h. So it means there's a new speed which is 100 km/h. The new time, which is what we are looking for, we don't know. We are going to follow the same distance. Now speed equals distance over time. So we have speed 100 equals distance 180 divided by time. Now we cross multiply. 100 times time equals 180. Now because we need to get the value for time, we divide both sides by 100. So we have 180 divided by 100. Time equals 0 cancels 0 here. 18 divided by 10, that is 1.8 hours. So the correct option is option D, 1.8 hours. Question number 84. 3 over 8 times 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5. We have to simplify. A, 1 over 8. B, 1 over 5. C, 19 over 160. D, 13 over 20. Now to simplify this, we are going to solve using BODMAS. We have 3 over 8 times 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5. BODMAS, we start with bracket. There is no bracket, we move to O, off. There is no off, we move to D, division. So we have division here. Now the best way to handle this is to convert this division to multiplication. So if we convert the division to multiplication, 3 over 4 will change to 4 over 3. So now we have 3 over 8 times 1 over 4 times 4 over 3 plus 1 over 5. Now the next part is multiplication. So we multiply by dividing where necessary. So 3 can cancel 3 here, 4 cancels 4. So we have 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1, divided by 8 times 1 times 1, which is 8, plus 1 over 5. Now we move to the next part, which is addition. For addition, we are going to look for the LCM of the denominators. The denominators here we have 8 and 5. So the denominator for the LCM, we are going to get 40. So this means that LCM of 8 and 5 is 40. How many 8 can we see in 40? That is 5. 5 times 1, we have 5. Plus, how many 5 can we see in 40? That's 8. 8 times 1 is 8. So we have 5 plus 8, which is 13 divided by 40. So it means that simplifying 3 over 8 times 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5. The result is 13 over 40. So looking at the options, the answer is not in the option. So the answer for this question is 13 over 40. Now we move to the last question in this video. Question number 85. A piece of land is roughly in the shape of a circle of diameter 200 meters. What is the appropriate area of the land in hectare? Use pi equals 3. A, 3,000 hectares. B, 300 hectares. C, 30 hectares. D, 3 hectares. Now, because the land is in the shape of a circle, so from the question, diameter equals 200 meters. But radius is half of diameter, so radius is 100 meters. But area of circle equals pi r squared. So pi, we have 3 to represent pi, times radius, which is 100, times 100. That is radius square means radius times radius. So we have 100 times 100. So 3 times 100 times 100, that will give us 30,000 meters squared. So it means the area of the circle is 30,000 meters squared. Now we need to convert this area into hectares. So we have 1 hectare equals 10,000 meters squared. So this means that 30,000 meters squared will give us 3 hectares. For every 10,000 meters squared, we have 1 hectare. So it means 30,000 meters squared will give us 3 hectares. So hence, area of land equals 3 hectares. And the correct option is option D, 3 hectares. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's section. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also remember to subscribe and turn on the notification so as to get notified whenever we put up a video on our channel. And also please remember to share with your friends because we all are to learn together. So guys, we see again in the next video.